Right, off to the next one.
Cool.
Sir, you have a good day, sir.
You too, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No worries. Stay safe.
And you too, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv, all about cleaning. Today's journey is a viscose footstool.
Right, so this one has a vomit stain, which has been cleaned up. The customer says that the fibres still feel hard. So I'm just going to hand clean it, but then go over and put a chemical on which softens the fibres back as it's viscose material.
So apparently it's a vomit stain which was hardened onto the fabric.
So I'm going to go over
In
it,
order to remove this,
hand clean it,
you would have to re-clean it.
over it with a chemical.
Now viscose and velvet should only be cleaned via a fine fabric detergent,
Velvet and similar
and
fine fabrics.
preferably with cold water.
Here we go. Basically just go.
Here the technician is cleaning using an upholstery cleaner, which you can use via hand. So he's now cleaning it using his buffing brush, just brushing in the fibres in all directions, so to soften it, get out any excess of the vomit that was left. After which he's going to apply, there he goes with his horsehair brush. This is something that puts the fibres, that sets the fibres back.
Use something to get rid of the stain. The customer said the fibres felt hard, so now I'm going to spray on a chemical which
now he's going to use a neutralizing agent, which is going to soften the fibres, and then he's able to reset it. Resetting means brush the fibres in one direction, and leave it to then dry, which will then leave it all soft and back to when the sofa was purchased.
And now I suppose softens the fibres back. So when you feel your velvet is hard in certain areas, that's why. Because water onto velvet, sometimes it will just dry hard.
After that procedure is now to reset the fibres. So meaning you're going to brush in one direction and leave it. You may do alternative directions, but when you finish, you just leave it all in one direction. This is how we clean viscose or velvet. most velvets, you have to dry clean only. But you will know if you test in an inconspicuous area whether it's a wet cleanable velvet or a dry clean velvet.
Brush the fibers, let it all in one direction.
So there it is, all done.
To dry.
Just leave that to just dry off. It should dry in an hour or so.
All of the fibers into one direction, and we'll leave it.
And it'll be just as it was when it came out of the store.
Softens the fibers. There we go. All done. So I went over it and cleaned it again, and then I put a chemical on it which resets the fiber and softens it.
There's our best technician.
Sort of don't put your hands
interacting with
only wet for an hour or something like that.
Clients.
Just leave it like that for now.
Keeping them happy.
Just need you to sign something for me, sir. Just can you use your own pen? Yeah, sure.
And I'll sure you be off to the next one.
How are you finding it going to people's houses?
Well, as long as I'm wearing sort of my PPE, but I always text and make sure that the customer's willing to let us in, and otherwise I do it at the front door. So a lot of it I've been doing in gardens and stuff like that. Just for your safety and my safety, if it can be done.
Cool.
That's my card, sir.
Brilliant.
Just in case you need.
There he goes upselling again.
Sofa cleaning, or your carpets clean, or curtains and stuff like that, car seats and stuff like that. Okay, sir? Right. Off to the next one.
Please share, comment, like, and subscribe.
And you too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.